Hi guys. Hey, want to do a quick update on my B-17. I've got the chin turret cut out of the foam fuselage and got the turret itself in place. Got work to do to it to make it shape, like a 17 turret, and then I got the fairing that'll go back. So that's done, or not done, but it started. Let's see, what else have I got? Oh, the waist windows are out. I started painting the interior of the waist gunners area. Interior green. And I have not done any maintenance to this plane in forever, and it's a dang good thing I did, because I took the ball turret off where the rudder servo and the elevator servo are, and the plate, that the wooden plate that holds the two servos, was moving around in there. It was loose, it wasn't attached, and both servos were moving around with the plate. So those are now epoxied down. So that part of it's done. Got the cockpit tore apart. Working on the pilot crew members, pilot and crew members, and we'll give you another update here shortly. But that's where I'm at right now. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you found it, and stay tuned for more. Thanks. Bye.